Welcome, everyone. I am absolutely thrilled to guide you through today's explainer. We are going to be moving fast, and we're zeroing in on real practical value. Think of this as your rapid-fire guide to the ultimate AI productivity toolkit. Honestly, if you implement even just a tiny fraction of what we cover today, you are going to save massive amounts of time, effort, and money in your daily workflow.
So, let's start with a bit of a hard truth. Are you still shelling out for premium subscription fees for super complex software that takes, months to learn? Are you still manually wrestling with presentations, writing blog posts from scratch, or begging a designer to put together a quick social media post? If so, those traditional, expensive methods are seriously holding you back. Today, we're breaking those chains. Okay, let's dive right into this. 4 hours. That is literally half a workday. Tools like Canva AI are saving small businesses up to 4 whole hours a week just on design tasks alone. Just imagine getting that time back to focus on high-level strategy, or, let's be real, just taking a Friday afternoon off. That's the real-world power of the tools we're exploring today. Section 1. Supercharge research and writing. We'll look at tools to process info and automate copy. Now, you obviously know ChatGPT, but it really isn't just a text chatbot anymore. It's got some wild new features. Take the operator agent, for example. It acts as an autonomous assistant that can actually use a virtual web browser for you. It literally fills out forms and does research while you do something else. Plus, it features Pulse to analyze your daily chat history, Codex for seamless coding, and it generates super high-quality images with secure metadata attached. It's basically like having a free digital intern. But what if you're just completely drowning in your own documents? What if your notes could literally talk to you? Well, I want to introduce you to one of the absolute most mind-blowing capabilities out there right now, Google's Notebook LM. For students, researchers, or really any professional, Notebook LM is a total game changer. You just follow this super simple workflow. First, you upload up to 1,000 of your own private PDFs, slides, or notes. Then, the AI instantly synthesizes all those connections. But the real magic happens in step 3, generating an audio overview. It creates a conversational, podcast-like discussion between 2 AI voices talking specifically about your private notes. You can literally listen to a custom study session while you're out walking the dog. Now, when we get into serious writing, the big question people always ask is, Claude or Jasper AI? And honestly, it completely depends on your ultimate goal. You're going to want to choose Claude for deep, thoughtful research. It has incredibly nuanced reasoning and enterprise-grade HIPAA-ready security. But if you need a high-speed marketing production line, definitely go with Jasper. Jasper is fully loaded with over 100 marketing templates and this awesome dedicated brand voice feature that makes sure everything it writes sounds exactly like your company. And hey, if you're a creator who just wants to put blog growth on autopilot without all that manual editing, you have to check out Easel AI. It's a highly specialized tool that literally takes a single keyword and instantly spits out a complete publish-ready SEO blog post. The whole thing comes fully formatted with automatically generated images. It's an absolute shortcut to driving organic traffic. Moving on to Section 2, Pro Design without designers. It's time to reclaim your visual branding. And the whole idea here brilliantly illustrates the 80-20 rule of modern design. Think about it. Canva's AI Magic Studio can easily handle 80% of your everyday visual needs. We're talking social posts, email banners, simple flyers, that kind of thing. You really only need to pay an expensive human designer for that remaining 20%. Those are your high-stakes, highly original brand identity projects. So how does it actually work? Well, it's a super seamless 3-step process. First, you set up your brand kit so the AI automatically knows your specific colors and fonts. Second, you type a simple sentence into Magic Design, and it just generates a complete layout right there for you. Finally, you use Magic Switch to automatically resize that one single design for Instagram, LinkedIn, and print, all with just one click. This workflow easily takes your design time from, say, 45 minutes down to just 5 minutes. Now, taking a quick look at the pricing breakdown, you can honestly do a ton on the free plan alone. But for about €12 a month, the Pro plan is an absolute steal. It completely unlocks unlimited Magic Design and gives you access to that brand kit we just talked about, plus Canva's advanced image generator, the Leonardo-powered Dream Lab. Just for the sheer amount of time it saves, it literally pays for itself on day one. Okay, let's talk about the heavyweight battle in AI image generation. Leonardo AI is definitely your practical choice if you're running a business. It gives you 150 free daily tokens, you can train it on your brand's specific style, and it even generates short videos now. Midjourney, on the other hand, is really for pure artistic exploration. It delivers unmatched cinematic quality, for sure. But there's no free tier, and you have to run the whole thing through a Discord chat interface, which isn't for everyone. All right, Section 3. Generate instant audio and voice. We're getting studio quality sound straight from your browser. Okay, we absolutely have to talk about Suno. You actually get 10 free AI-generated songs every single day. No way, right? You literally just type in a genre and a topic, and it generates a full track with vocals and instruments. And if you decide to jump on their Pro plan, you get full commercial rights to actually monetize those songs, plus you can extract the individual audio stems to remix them in your own audio software. It's wild. Now, to really grasp AI voice generation, we kind of need to understand the underlying technology here, which is called a voice print. A voice print is essentially a digital biometric fingerprint of a person's voice. It encodes highly unique features like pitch, timbre, resonance, and cadence. This exact technology is what makes AI voice cloning platforms sound so unbelievably realistic today. And that brings us right to 11 Labs, which is definitely the leader in this space. They offer some seriously incredible capabilities. We're talking instant professional voice cloning, an iconic marketplace where you can license celebrity voices, and seamless AI dubbing that translates your video into different languages while actually keeping your original voice. We do need to impartially point out, though, that they are currently facing some complex legal scrutiny. There are lawsuits filed under the Illinois Biometric Information Privacy Act alleging the company trained its models using the voice prints of working professionals without their consent. So it's an incredibly powerful tool, but it's currently surrounded by a very real legal debate.
Finally, Section 4, presentations made effortless. We're creating pitch decks in literally minutes.
So, the absolutely crucial point here is that you really have to choose the right tool for your specific audience. You've basically got two amazing options. AI PPT 2026 is built specifically for the offline boardroom. It exports traditional PowerPoint files and gives you super strict brand control. On the flip side, Gamma app is quite a bit cheaper, has a really generous free tier, and creates these gorgeous, interactive, scrollable web pages that are absolutely perfect for just sending over a quick link. Let's look at how this actually plays out in your daily work. If you're prepping for a formal investor pitch deck, you are definitely going to want to pull AI PPT 2026 out of your toolkit. Its narrative engine flawlessly matches the traditional corporate structure that investors just expect. But if you're sending an internal marketing brief to your remote team, Gamma app is the clear winner. The scrollable layouts and embedded videos make asynchronous communication so much more engaging. Man, we have covered a massive amount of ground today. From having your notes read to you like a podcast, to designing pro graphics in minutes, to spinning up entire presentations with just a single prompt. So I want to leave you with this challenge. Which of these AI tools are you going to use to reclaim your time today? Don't just passively consume this explainer. Pick one tool, go test it out right now, and start streamlining your workflow. Thank you so much for joining me for today's explainer. And as always, keep learning.